kung hindi natin gagawin, hindi po tayo papasa sa operations natin sa airport. Ito yung mga must-haves, kumbaga. Preventive maintenance, that's very important. Again, to prevent disruption. We've also improved itong ating pick-up and drop-off zones sa parking natin and also the shuttle services. And this is something that we're really taking seriously because I'm sure alam nyo na marami tayong comments, no, that feedback that we're able to receive, not just from our passengers, but also to the whole community on how we can further improve. So we've taken all those feedback, those comments, and finally, we're able to really come up with, ngayon medyo short mid-term solution pa lang because if you consider the whole master plan that we're developing, which is part of the concessionary agreement with CAAP, this would be this would capture the long-term plan for not just for the parking but for the whole airport in general. Safety and training. Ang airport po, hindi lang sa terminal mismo yung operations where we are responsible. We're also responsible for the airside operation, yung tinatawag mo sa runway, no? And that's why napaka-importante that meron tayong mga emergency plan in place kung sakaling may mangyari. May mga personnel tayo or first responders in place. Again, kung sakaling may mangyari, we're properly trained in our firefighting services natin, fire trucks availability. These are things that we had to take care of also as part of our airport operations. The emergency simulation exercises, hindi ko lang po napanood yung video na parang may nag-crash na aeroplano, akala mo totoo, di ba? Yes, these are things that we really had to do, simulation. Kasi iba pag nandun ka talaga sa situation, and dapat alam mo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. So these are things that we need to make sure our staff and all the officers at the airport are lunch na to. The airport are properly equipped and knowledgeable to handle such situations. And kagandahan din ito, some milestones that we wanted to share, we're able to get an acceptance from the regulator with regards to our Aerodome manual. So ito na yung parang